Right. Draining the Adblue tank. Not good to get that on your phone. There you go. There are two of them. That's the sender unit. Pump. Which is this thing. I think this has failed. If it wasn't that, it was the leveler in here somewhere that was broken. So swapping this out for the salvaged part from an 80,000 mile car, and all you need to do is clean it all up. Let's just put it back to normal, there we go. Clean it up, make all the connections 100%, and remember there's a point here, point here, point there. That's it. This guy wasn't on mine. It's right there. You do screw that in, and then there are some little, I don't know if you can see it on that. Yeah, you can just about. There's some sort of hooks that go in there and you press down, so lift up and out. Easy for that bit. And then, yeah, these three, which are here and put it back to the 5 there and just here. Pretty simple. But yeah, once this is finished draining out, I'm going to unscrew those three, pull it out, put the new one in, brackets up. Done. To gain access to here, you've got to take the wheel cover off, which is 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 at the top if you want to be cheeky. And then on the other side, also the same. And then there are these little bits that stick in here, which is on the grill. Easy.